Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix screen flickering display driver issue in HP. Press F11 key to system recovery. Click Troubleshoot. Click Advanced Options. Click Startup Settings. Click Restart. Press F4 key to enable safe mode. Right-click Start button, click Run, type devmgmt.msc, click OK. Click and expand display adapters, right-click display adapter, click Uninstall device, check attempt to remove the driver for this device, click Uninstall. Shut down system and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.